So you're going on a Virgin cruise, and like me, you use a CPAP machine, and you're not sure what plugs are in this room. I'm going to go through and give you a quick look at how to run your CPAP machine, how to run everything else, how to check your voltage. Basically, that's my little guy down there, sits on the side of the bed, and right down here we have two USB plugs, and I've thrown this guy in, which is a 3-prong, either American, I think it's an American prong, which I just purchased from Bunnings, and then that just pops into there and away she goes. So if you're worried about using a CPAP when you're on board the Resilient Lady, no Australian power points in the ship at all. So lots of USBs. Here's another plug over here. So you've got the same, if I can find it. So the same plug as over there. Charging, she has this box which has all our leads to do cameras and phones and stuff. And then this one is a nice big size one. I think that's a European. So basically just plugs them in and yeah, plug it in and away you go. So the thing that I bought, I'll just take a photo of this, both sides for you. So there you go, no stress, getting on Resilient Lady, no Australian plugs. Make sure you bring some adapters, American and UK, your CPAP will work fine. As long as your voltage, read your voltage, 110 to 240 volts. If you've got that, you should be okay. And if you're really worried, check with the person that you bought it from, just to make sure it's gonna be okay. I checked with mine and they said, yeah, it's fine to use short term on the 110 volt. And it's working fine. So there you go guys, CPAPs on the Virgin ships. Hooroo.